And if you just look at that, I mean, tell me that doesn't look better than regular potting soil. It's real soft and loamy. And then it doesn't have all the fertilizers and just everything else they put in it, but you still get the slow release from your compost and your, grass clipping, leaves clippings. All that, as that slowly breaks down, it releases more nutrients for the plant. So, I mean, in my eyes, it's a lot better than store-bought potting soil, but, I'm trying to do as much organic work as physically possible. Alright guys, so we're going to start this process in the garden. Got leaves. Then once you're done mowing the lawn, just add those trimmings to it. And let that sit for a couple months, or you can go ahead and till it under. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and till it under. Back up again. Our handy dandy bucket. Oh, it had some compost in it. Don't trip. Handy dandy bucket. And then we're gonna go for a walk. Put it like that. Put this sucker like this. That was a piece for my peas, but now it's this thing. Use it as a sift. I just take this big bucket, mix it back in here like so.